Okay, the first thing I want you to do, if you haven't done it already, is go in the Moodle at the very top section of our course. I think it's the third link from the top. There's a link called Course Overview, Start Here. It's a video that explains 563 to you. So if you haven't watched that, I want you to hit stop on this video and go back and watch that one before we proceed, so that you will understand the expectations for this course. Okay, so you watched the video about the course overview, and now I hope you had a chance to click through all of our weekly modules, all 8 weeks, so that you have some kind of expectation about what we're doing in this course. You'll notice that we have a lot of discussion forums. Every week has 2, and some weeks have even 3. So we have a lot of collaboration and communication going on in this course. For week 1, you're going to read the lecture in ebook, and then you're also going to read chapter 1 in our textbook, along with viewing the videos and other resources located in week 1. Our week 1.1 discussion forum gives us a chance to introduce ourselves to each other. You will notice that in every discussion forum, besides your post, you have to respond by Sunday, except for in our later weeks, we're going to extend that posting time or that posting requirement. But for week 1.1, you're going to reply to at least 2 people that you don't know who have similar interests as you do, or hobbies or passions or job responsibilities. And then you're going to go back to your original introduction posting and reply to that posting with the names of the people you made contact with, and give us a brief statement of an interest, hobby, passion, or responsibility that you share. So this is just our way to get to know each other. Oh, before I forget about it, you need to be sure and go to the rubrics folder that is located at the top of our course under course resources, and check out all the rubrics that are located there. You'll notice there's a rubric for each discussion forum, and then there's also a very extensive rubric for our final project loaded there that's many pages long. So get yourself familiar with the rubric folder, because this is how your submissions will be scored. You also need to go to the top of our course under course resources and download the interactive learning unit planning template for EDU563. This is a Word document that you're going to download and you're going to modify as we progress through this course. You're going to complete various sections as we go along through our weeks. This interactive learning unit planning template is a template you're going to use to build an instructional unit that you want to use during this course and through your entire program to build a technology-enriched environment for your students. So to get us started on our interactive learning unit that you're going to develop, you're going to do a graded assignment this week in week 1.1, which is actually just a survey with 1 question. And the question is going to be about having you think about what topic, what concept that you would like to develop a unit on. It can be a topic of one that you are presently using. If you're a teacher, one that you're presently teaching. If you're in charge of developing a professional development or any kind of a training session for business, education, it doesn't matter. If you're developing a learning experience for the equestrian world, this applies. You're going to think of a topic that you would like to develop. It can be one that you already have started, one that you've already used that you want to enhance, or it can be a brand new unit or lesson or learning experience. But this is a chance for you to brainstorm, to submit an idea. It's just your initial thought, and we can have some discussion between you and I whether this could be a good possibility for you to develop. In the end, you can use this topic for your capstone project. But anyway, through this course, you're going to develop this template. Our second discussion forum this week, weeks 1.2, you have 3 different options that you can select from to decide what you want to do. These are based on your textbook reading, your ebook lecture, and other resources that are located in our week. You'll notice that your response this week at the bottom tells you exactly what to do. That this time you're going to review the posts, and then for at least 2 of the postings made by your classmates, choose 2 who addressed an option other than the option you addressed. And it goes on to tell you how to make this response. So this is something, some way to guide you in doing something a little different. So I hope I covered everything in week 1. We have our 2 discussion forums. You have the week 1.1 graded assignment, which is a survey in which all you're doing is telling me of an idea you're thinking about for your interactive learning unit, and the one you're going to use for your planning template. Read the bottom file in our week on Moodle about preparing for weeks 2 and 3. Also, again, I'm going to stress to go to the rubrics folder and download all the rubrics so that you can do your projects to earn the maximum number of points. So that's it for now, and let's enjoy week 1 and look forward to week 2. Bye.